Mr. Schaefer, you brought this case before the court, sir?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay, go ahead. What's going on?
Well, my son was married to the respondent, and he died. They had a child that's now 3 years old that has been left in my custody, and I'm asking for some sort of relief or support because I'm retired from the military and on a fixed income.
Okay. First of all, my condolences for the loss of your son, and thank you for your service as well.
A grieving father walks into court, not seeking revenge, but desperate for help. After losing his son, he's now raising his 3-year-old grandson all on his own. With only his military retirement to survive on, he pleads for support. But will the court hear his cry, or will this turn into yet another uphill battle?
First of all, my condolences for the loss of your son, and thank you for your service as well.
Oh, thank you.
How long has the child lived with you?
2 years.
2 years. Has mom given you any support for the child?
No, she hasn't.
She hasn't bought anything.
Not significantly, no. But I've just now come to the point where I need some relief and I need some help.
I agree with that. Ma'am?
Well, I've been traveling. My job had me traveling.
2 years. That's how long this grandfather has raised his autistic grandson without receiving a single dollar from the boy's mother. She claims she's been traveling, but does that excuse abandoning her responsibilities? The judge's next move could change everything.
Ma'am?
Well, I've been traveling. My job had me traveling a lot.
What are you doing with yourself every day? What do you do? Tell me about your traveling.
Well, I had gotten this new condo for one thing, and that.
Wait a minute, you got a condo and you're traveling.
Yeah.
But how much is this condo?
Well, I'd rather not say.
No, I'd rather you say.
Because
how much is this condo?
It's pretty steep. It's pretty steep.
Ma'am, what does that mean? That means nothing to me. Steep. You know how many people come in here with things that are steep? I need a number.
She brags about buying a brand new condo, yet hasn't contributed a single cent to her own child. When the judge presses her on the price, she dodges until the truth slips out, and it's steep. But what's steeper? The cost of luxury or the weight of her guilt?
You know how many people come in here with things that are steep? I need a number.
I like to live nice, and so I pay $5,000.
See, you know what? You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I didn't.
Yes,
really,
you did.
I didn't. And
Ma'am,
really
yes, you did.
haven't
I've asked you a very specific question. How much is your condo?
Well, I pay $5,000 a month.
$5,000 a month? Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
is this 3-year-old in daycare?
Yes, he's in preschool because he has some special needs.
$15,000 a month for luxury living, but not a single dollar for her child's needs. The judge is stunned, especially after hearing that the little boy is in preschool and requires special care. So who really comes first in this mother's life? Her lifestyle or her own child?
This 3-year-old in daycare?
Yes, he's in preschool because he has some special needs.
How much is daycare?
Daycare runs about $300 a week.
$300 a week.
Don't you get some kind of this?
And don't you just need to wait your turn until I come to you.
Yes,
I'm not talking to you. Thank you. Sir, $300 a week. And what type of special needs does the child have?
He's autistic.
Okay. Does you have to pay for like any medical expenses?
He needs special counseling, and of course he has regular doctor visits.
The child's autism therapy and doctor visits demand more than affection. They require financial support. Yet the mother has been missing in action, and so has her contribution. Will the court finally compel her to take responsibility before time runs out?
He needs special counseling, and of course he has regular doctor visits.
Does mom show up to any of those doctor's visits or anything?
Well, no, of course I haven't always told her, but I haven't expected her.
Exactly, you haven't given him any money either.
Well,
I'm not talking to you still.
Now, I don't have anything against my former daughter-in-law. I mean, she was married to my son, but I do need a little more involvement and a little help.
I agree with you. It definitely, if she's spending $5,000 a month on a condo, I don't even stay in the condo.
She skipped every medical visit, offered no support, and now tries to interrupt in court, only to be silenced. The grandfather, calm and respectful, simply pleads for help. But could a refusal to step up end up costing her everything?
Okay, well, I need a condo. Can you give me your condo? Exactly. So your child support based on $35,000 a year. Are you carrying any type of health insurance on the child?
See, that's another thing. Since on the child,
Yes.
well, the child is autistic, so the child gets a check. So I don't understand why you need my money.
Okay.
Because you get assistance from the government. with the
Excuse
kid.
me.
I mean, my child.
Excuse me. Last time I checked, I was the judge.
You are.
Okay, thanks. That means that I asked the questions and I addressed him. He addressed me.
Okay.
You do not address him.
All right.
Okay?
She claims the child already gets a check, but the judge isn't convinced. When she tries to talk over the court, the gavel comes down hard. She's about to discover the real price of neglect and disrespect.
Address me.
Okay.
You do not address him. Okay?
Understand.
How much is health insurance for the child only?
I have no idea what health insurance is for the child.
So obviously you don't pay it. Sir, how much is health insurance for the child
It's
only?
just short of $400.
Short for the child only?
Yes,
Ma'am, you...
I'm covered under the VA.
Well, I thought he was getting government
No, well,
assistance.
I thought you should have been giving him something for child support.
The judge cuts her off. You speak to me, not him. Struggling for answers, the mother admits she doesn't even know her own child's insurance costs. All the while, the grandfather has quietly shouldered every expense. But now, the judge has heard enough.
I thought you should have been giving him something for child support. So we're going to go ahead and make that happen today. And the child has been living with you for the past 2 years, you say?
2 years.
So not only am I going to make you pay child support, ma'am, you're going to pay back pay as well.
I can't afford that.
Guess what? Sell your condo, then you can afford that. So I have your gross based on $35,000 a year at $2,916.67. And you said the health insurance is $400 a month?
Yes.
That's pretty steep.
The gavel falls. She's ordered to pay child support, including back payments. The judge shows no hesitation. Sell your condo, she commands, because if she can afford luxury, she can afford her child. And the total sum, it will leave you stunned.
You said the health insurance is $400 a month?
Yes.
That's pretty steep. So based on 9%, it'll be $262.50.
Will that start? Can you give me maybe 3 months before that starts so I can rebudget my bills?
Let me think about that. No. So $262.50.
I had a question. Why are you being so hard on me?
Ma'am, I'm not being hard on you. You have not given this man any type of child support to support
not
your child.
happen.
And then you come to court and say you don't have money, but you travel and you have a $5,000 a month condo.
She pleads one more time, but the judge remains firm. Why are you being so hard on me? She asks. The answer, 2 years of neglect, extravagant living, and a child left behind. This isn't leniency, this is justice.
Come to court and say you don't have money, but you travel and you have a $5,000 a month condo. And how many children do you have? I'm sorry, ma'am.
Just one.
One child, so that's based on 20%. Let's see here. Sir, you said you all have a cordial relationship. Are you okay with continuing that health insurance?
Yes, I am.
Okay, and are you seeking any type of reimbursement from her on the health insurance?
No, I mean, it's all in the past.
Okay, well, you got really lucky. He cut you a break. So your child support obligation, your net comes out to $2,466.03.
Despite it all, the grandfather chooses not to pursue reimbursement. The judge is taken aback. You got lucky, she says. But this reprieve doesn't erase a debt. It only postpones the consequences.
Your child support obligation, your net comes out to $2,466.03. Your child support obligation comes out to $394.56. Now your back child support, that $394.56, you have to pay that back from the time that the child has lived with Mr. Schaefer.
That's not fair.
Yes, ma'am. In Texas, it goes back 4 years. Your child is 3. So with that calculation, it comes out to $14,204.16 to be paid monthly. Do you have any other questions
I
pertaining
guess
to
not, since I have to pay all this money.
this? Okay, well, I guess you all are dismissed. Thank you.
Thank you.
The final verdict, nearly $15,000 in back child support, with monthly payments now set in stone. After years of neglect, the mother is finally held accountable. This case wasn't just about money, it was about responsibility.